Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn a new lesson. Let's start. Today's topic is greater than, less than and equal. First, we will look at greater than and less than. There is a symbol to represent greater than and less than. This is the symbol. There are two parts of this symbol. This is open mouth. This is closed mouth. This is the symbol. There are two parts of this symbol. This called open mouth. This called closed mouth. And also open mouth represents greater than. Open mouth represents greater than. And closed mouth represent less than. We will look at an example. Then you can identify what I am saying. I will draw some balls. Okay, look at the board. There are balls. First, look at the left side. How many balls are here? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many balls? 3 balls are here. Okay. On the right side, how many balls? Yes, only one ball is on the right side. Now, tell me, students, which number is greater than? Either 3 or 1. Either 3 or 1. Yes, number 3 is greater. Then, we will place the symbol like this. Now, the open mouth of the symbol is placed towards greater number and the closed mouth is placed towards less number. This statement we can say like this. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. On the other hand, we can say 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. Okay. We will see next example. Now I will draw flowers. Okay. First look at the left side. How many flowers are here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left side, 5 blue flowers are here. We will look at right side. How many flowers are here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 flowers are here. On the left side, there are 5 blue flowers. On the right side, there are 6 red flowers. Tell me, students, which number is greater? Either 5 or 6? Yes, the number 6 is greater than number 5. Very good. How we place the symbol? Yes, the open mouth of the symbol should be placed towards the highest number, greater number. On the other hand, closed mouth of the symbol should be placed towards less number. Okay. Next, we will consider another example. I will draw some stars. Okay. First, we will look at left side. How many stars are here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are on the left side. Okay. We will count the stars on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars? 6 stars. Okay. 4 stars are on the left side, 6 stars on the right side. Tell me, students, which number is less than? Either 4 or 6. Listen to me very carefully. Tell me which number is less than? Either 4 or 6. Yes, number 4 is less than. Then the symbol should be placed like this. The closed mouth towards less number. Then the open mouth should be placed towards greater number. I can say like this. 4 is less than 6. On the other hand, I can say 6 is greater than 4. Okay. Let's look at next example. I will draw some oranges. Okay. First, look at the left side. Can you count how many oranges are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges are here. On the right side, how many oranges are here? 1, 2. 2 oranges are here. Two oranges are here. Then I am going to ask a question. Tell me, students, which number is less than either 2 or 3? Which number is less than either 2 or either 3? Yes, number 2 is less than 3. Number 2 is less than 3. How we put the symbol? The closed mouth of the symbol should be placed towards the less number. Then the open mouth should be placed towards greater number. Yes. This example I can say like this. 2 is less than 3. On the other hand, 3 is greater than 2. Yes. I hope you can get an idea about greater than and less than. So, shall we do another activity? Okay, students, are you ready to do the activity? Okay, let's start. Look at the first one. Tell me, students, which number is greater than either 6 or 3? Yes, very good. Number 6 is greater than 3. Open mouth of the symbol should be placed towards greater number, like this. Okay. Next example. Tell me, students, which number is greater than either 1 or 5? Yes, number 5 is greater than 1. How should we place the symbol? Like this? Is it correct? No. Yes, very good. It's wrong. Symbol should be placed like this. Open mouth of the symbol towards greater number. It's mean 5. Yes. Close mouth of the symbol towards less number. Yes. Look at the next one. On the left side, we have 10. On the right side, we have 4. Tell me, students, which number is less than? Listen very carefully. Which number is less than? Yes, number 4 is less number. Then the symbol should be placed like this. Close mouth of the symbol towards less number. Open mouth of the symbol towards greater number. Okay, students, tell me which number is less than, either 2 or 7. Either 2 or 7. Yes, 2 is less than 7. How we place the symbol? Like this. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. No? That's wrong. It should be like this. Yes. Close mouth of the symbol towards less number. Open mouth of the symbol towards greater number. Okay. Tell me, students, the last number, last example, which number is greater than? Either 8 or 9. Either 8 or 9. Yes, 9 is greater than 8. Symbol should be placed like this. On the other hand, we can say 8 is less than 9. Okay, students, I know you have a clear idea about greater than and less than. Now you can use the symbol correctly. Now we will look at equal. We use this symbol to represent equal. We use this symbol to represent equal. Okay, let's look at an example. I will draw some ice creams. Okay, first look at the left side. How many ice creams are here? Count. 1, 2. 2 ice creams are here. Next, we will see how many ice creams on the right side. Count 1, 2. 2 ice creams are here. Now, left side you can see 2 ice cream. Right side you can see 2 ice creams. 2 is equal to 2. The symbol is like this. This is very easy. This is very easy. 2 is equal to 2. Let's consider another example. Now I am drawing toffees. When I draw this, you can count how many toffees are here. Okay, students, first look at left side. Count how many toffees are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toffees are here. Next, count the toffees on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many toffees are here? 4 toffees on the right side. Okay. Now you can say 4 is equal to 4. The symbol is like this. 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Let's look at another example. Now I am going to draw some balls. Okay, students, look at the left side first. How many balloons are here? Yes, only one balloon is here. Next, look at the right side. How many balloons are here? Only one balloon is here. Now you can say 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we learned how to use greater than, less than and equal by using the symbols. We will do an activity. Let's do the activity. First read the question. Put the correct symbol. Greater than, less than, equal. We know how to use them and now we are going to do the activity. Here, tell me students, which number is greater, either 7 or 4? Yes, number 7 is greater than number 4. Mouth of the symbol, open mouth of the symbol should be placed towards greater number, like this. Yes, it's correct. On the other hand, we can say 4 is less than 7. Okay, next look at second one. Here you can see what is the number? 8. Here 8. 8. 8. Are they equal or not? Yes, they are equal. Which is the symbol? This one, or this one? Yes, the last one. Equal. Okay, good. Look at the next one. Tell me students, which number is less than? Either 3 or 9. Either 3 or 9. What am I asking? Which number is less than? Yes, number 3 is less than number 9. How should I place the symbol? Like this? Is this correct? No? Why? Yes. Open mouth of the symbol should be placed towards the highest number. Yes. Now is it correct? Yes, it's correct. 3 is less than 9. Okay. Next one. What is this number? What is this number? Yes, number 10. This one? Number 6. Which number is greater than? Either 10 or 6. Yes, number 10 is greater than number 6. On the other hand, we can say number 6 is less than number 10. Look at the last one. What is the number? Yes, number 5. Here, number 5. 5 and 5. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. The symbol is this. Okay students, I hope You have learned the correct usage of the greater than, less than and equal. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share, like our videos. You can get more videos and learn well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.